So I'm working on a tractor on the caliper factory torque spec bolts. Usually they inch and an eighth, and they come off fairly easy if they're used. But these new ones, they come with a lot of loctite, and my swim packs don't work. That doesn't work. It's supposed to break, have 1,300 pounds breakaway. It's not working. So if you're in a bind, you gotta get it off, and you don't want to damage the bolt too much. Like, see, I already did this trick on this one, but you really can't even tell why I did it, because you gotta be careful. A little bit right there on my iPhone. But anyway, you can't really tell that I hit it. So what you do is you get you a flat tip or the blunt tip, something that ain't gonna punch or poke. You set your hammer up. I'm not gonna do it because it's very loud. You very lightly tap it, hit it for about 30 seconds, and then try to get your socket and wrench back on and try to bust it loose that way. I would advise you hit mute, because I'm gonna set y'all up and try it and show y'all what I mean. Earplug is on for safety.